Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You made it.
I'm alive.
I'm okay, all these babies.
Oh, wait.
What?
Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno.
Oh my god. My arrows! Alright,
Hello.
hold on. Virginia.
Where are you?
Where are you? I'm so sorry. Ooh, I see a tent.
Yeah, that's our tent.
No, it's not. It's an orange one.
Oh, I see. How'd it move over like
Yeah,
a foot?
dude. More printer resin.
Okay.
What?
Now how do I use this?
Oh, you're gonna jump and click. Ready? Yeah.
Dude, I'm almost dead. Oh, I bounced!
There's no way.
How do I get out? How do I get out?
I know, I haven't figured that out yet. Once you stop, you get out.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! I didn't click anything!
Oh. Okay.
Hitting these hills! Alright, I'm going right here. Oh, you did it!
Jumping off trees like a fucking Plinko.
That's what I'm saying! Whoa! Frozen Lake!
Cowabunga. No!
Woo!
We made it! Nice.
Oh my god! Oh, train! Oh, train!
Yes.
Oh my god! I'm going all the way down, man! Woo! Frozen Lake. Yeah!
Oh no, I'm gonna come to an end. Where am I? I'm bouncing
Come on,
everywhere. Holy
buddy!
shit.
Come on, buddy! You can do it! You're going so fast!
Oh no, I hit a tree and I stopped. I'm coming. Take me away, Plinko. Oh!
What? Oh my god! You almost decapitated me!
Can't switch weapons. Knock me down, man. Take me up. Oh god. Yeah. Owie.
Hello!
What the fuck?
You're holding it like a bow and arrow! And you're holding your pistol and your shotgun.
Yeah, I know.
See our house from here?
Yeah, it's by that lake over there. That big opening to on the left side. We can't see the house.
Oh, wow. You can see like the blank spot of trees.
Yeah, where our house is.
And I'm coming. I. You ready?
Yep.
Don't get hurt this time.
Can't promise anything.
Oh my god.
Oh, I bounced off the fucking stump.
Oh no!
Oh! Oh, I stopped on the ice. Fuck.
I almost started going backwards.
Yeah.
Oh, our helicopter crash. Oh, bullets.
Oh. Oh! We go!
Oh, this is where we first realized little Kelvin's a little slow. Oh, printer resin. Ooh, arrows. Cool, meds.
Oh my god.
Incoming! I'm stuck! I don't know where I'm going, so I'm just going all the way down the river.
Go ahead. Yeah, that's fine. That's where I was gonna head for.
You know me, a woman. I don't know directions.
And I don't ask for directions. So we're just constantly lost. The key's under the mat.
There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go! Woo-hoo! There's a guy in the bushes in the water!
Oh my god. I just saw him.
You saw him?
Yeah. He's
Okay,
vibing.
that's the ocean. Have we gone too far? Hi!
Hello. Tokyo Drift. I'm still going.
Here, let me give you a little push. Let me give you a little push.
Oh god, it's getting deep. I'm underwater.
Whee!
Aw.
So we should probably sleep, save,
Yep.
eat, and drink. We can make it in here probably.
Yeah. I'm about to make it.
You don't have sticks, so I'll put a stick up. And give me a second to eat too.
Is it just flat on the ground? You good?
The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you. Do you not see that one down there?
Yeah, I did. Come here, motherfucker. I just wanna go.
The power of Christ compels you.
The power of Christ compels you.
The power of Christ compels you.
Run, demon!
The power of
Run!
Christ compels you. We killed it with Jesus. Dude. 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 Dude.
What?
Pull out your katana. That's not a katana.
Oh, you said. I thought you said guitar.
We have the power of God and anime on our side.
Oh hell yeah, let's do this. You burning my section.
Oh my god.
Trying to block the hits for
You get compelled. You get compelled. Everybody gets compelled. Ow. Whoa, dude.
Oh,
There we go. Oh, he's not. I'm coming so I can compel him. Compel!
2 of my armor is down. 1 of yours and 2 of yours is down. Oh god.
Power of Christ, man.
And anime.
They're compelling me to be a good person.
What's over here? Oh wow. Nothing.
Wow, dude. That was impressive.
Yeah. Amazing.
I compel them while you animate them.
Bitch.
So, if these are demons, right? I'm holding a cross. It's burning the demons. Are we going to fight Satan?
Yep. Is this not Diablo 4?
That's what I kind of feel like, my dude.
There we go.
I finally got
Back
one.
on board.
I know. I have wall hacks, remember?
Yeah, that's true. Another hit on us. Oh,
No. That one was.
I don't know how they have 3 people on the ship.
they had
They
3 people?
probably decided to team up on one ship instead. Because they weren't having luck on 3. Oh, what is this?
Come on. There we go.
We have no whole soul. There we go.
Hell yeah! Got them with a helm ball so they can't move.
Well, I mean, they're dead.
Oh, they are? Oh, well, poop baskets. Is that a rowboat of theirs?
It was.
Are they
I
trying
shot
to
it.
escape on it?
I
Okay.
shot it.
Are they sinking? Do we need to keep shooting?
Shoot.
Yeah,
Okay.
shoot. Just.
Well, I would.
I was gonna say drop the anchor, but
I mean,
Barely
we
take
can.
the water.
Okay, I'm lowering the anchor. Turn the ship, would you?
I already did.
I can't, with these goddamn waves, I can't see.
I'm getting weird lag spikes too.
Yeah, I have them too.
He just respawned on his ship. What the fuck? You
just
see the
realized-
ship?
Yeah, yeah.
You see how it's on the ground?
No, it was in the air for me.
Okay.
Baby. My guy. Check it.
Wait, it's going away now.
Uh-huh.
What the fuck?
Only problem is I may have fallen off, but it was still still cool nonetheless.
Yeah. I let Crypt do Crypt things, you know? This
Yeah.
shit, I'm not gonna shoot it.
You wanna grapple onto this thresher? go for it this time. I went for it last time.
No! Goodbye, cool.